Alright guys, as for the power bank, outside you can see that it lights up green right here around the light. That lets you know that it's charging from the sun. Overall guys, nice power bank. I love it. It is a 26,800 mAh 99WH power bank. So it can store a lot of energy. Hello my friends, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we got another solar power bank, and I know you guys might be thinking, have you reviewed every single solar power bank in the world? Probably not, but probably pretty close, because I love solar power banks. I actually have a solar power bank built from these that charge over 15 small power banks. Yes, I love power banks. So guys, you get a user manual in here. Inside the box, you get a charging cable. It is a Type-C, so we know it is updated. Nice, yes. There we go. Nice, smooth design. Very, very nice and simple. I like that. You have your power indicator on the side. You have your power button also on the other side. And as we can see, it's almost charged. You can press the power button to see if it's almost charged or not. On the front here, we have an easy access 2-port USB charger, and also you have the Type-C, which works as a charger and, well, it works as a double charger. It can charge your power bank. So this USB can charge your power bank, you know, if you plug this into here and into a USB port. So just like this, you would take your Type-C, plug it into the Type-C end, and now you plug this into any USB port. And like I said, I have 15 of these hooked up to one system, which is so fun, so cool. But yeah, and it will charge this if you don't want to charge it from the sun. If you want to charge it from the sun, this is all a solar panel. This whole top piece is a solar panel, and you just set it in the sun or outside, and it will charge the system without having to be connected. Now, if you want to charge your device, all you do is you take the same USB, you plug that into the USB port, and then we take our cell phone or any Type-C device that you have. And I'm going to be quiet. You're going to be able to hear my phone make a sound, and you'll know that it's charging. If we can get it in the port. All right, that lets us know that it's charging. Ooh, we're actually at 48%, so it's good we're plugging our phone in. Now, if you have an Apple device or a micro port, then what you'll do is you just use your cable. So if you have an Apple device, normally you have that Apple end, and then you have a USB plug on the other end. Just plug the USB in there, and then plug your Apple device in that. You can use all devices that have a USB, you know, that can be plugged into a USB port. It's that simple, my friends. That simple. Alright guys, as for the power bank, outside you can see that it lights up green right here around the light. That lets you know that it's charging from the sun. Overall guys, nice power bank. I love it. It is a 26,800 mAh 99WH power bank. So it can store a lot of energy.